If I knock it, does it open? Hello? What is this one? So, here is our market. Brother, don't cut your finger, nah? Everyday kwai, Sunday kwai, Saturday kwai. Oh, dakite. Chicken dakite. Like that. Delicious tea. Where in Finland you get this kind of treatment? Oi, oi, oi. Nongpoh town shopping complex. Actually, just recently here they have put how you say, floor, ground, asphalt, tiles or stones. I think just a few months ago. So I hope if they have done something here, they could do something also for this Nongpoh shopping complex. Let's see how it is. Here is also security. Oh, nobody is there, unfortunately. Here is also you can find some parking place, and there is a good space here. Let's see what's inside, nah? Oh, what is this one? Oh, Nadu, especially Ramona Cinema Hall, Birnihat. Welcome. Whatever it is, it's a film or what? Yeah, I think it's a Kasi movie. Producer Manga Kor Nongpoh. Basically, go and see it, Birnihat. 31st of this month. Okay, so here it is. I don't know, you people throw trash here or what? Looks like that. We're gonna head up. Hello. Gonna head up inside. Welcome to Nongpoh town shopping complex. How is the inside? And it's in mid here. Look at it. Main road. Right. Parking place in the front. Parking place here. And here it is, look. First shops. Elevator also, hey. We have elevator here. If I knock it, does it open? Let me press from here. Here should be. It doesn't work. Hello? Is working or what? Elevator? Okay, Toto. Kubleshibun. Mo. Okay, so here, that's how they have built this. Huh? A nice floor also. Actually, I like this floor. So here we can buy, I think so, Momo. Yes. Is Momo? Okay. You have Momo now? May I have a few Momo? You have chicken Momo or?
Yes, chicken.
Okay, can I have? Yes. So actually I'm a little bit hungry. So can I eat some Momo before I roam around here in the Nongpoh complex. What is this one? I think the cleaner has not been here for a while. Looks nice. Chicken Momo. It's chicken?
Yes, chicken.
Okay, good. I like chicken. I'm a chicken guy. You have also some sauce there?
Yes.
Yes, like this. It's homemade?
Yes, homemade. Potato.
Homemade, always best one. Homemade.
Potato sauce.
Okay, thank you very much. How is the Momo here in the shopping mall? It's very hot. I just burned my tongue. But it is tasty. Tasty. Thank you. Even the saliva came out of my mouth. It's tasty now. Good morning. Nice one. Nice Momo. You have made the Momo? Oh, Didi. Okay, Didi has made the Momo. So greetings for Didi. Nah. That's spicy. Even padu aki, I still like spicy. Always spicy food. My wife is cooking very nice spicy food. Oh. So I have got used to it. Oh, here is a dustbin. Always use a dustbin, guys. Always. Don't throw it on the ground. Put it in a dustbin if you find it. If you don't find it, you put it in your pocket and you burn it in your house. Okay? That's how it is. Kuplei mo. Thank you very much. All right, so let's roam around. Let's go this way. Go this way. It's a little bit dark here. Oh, Sun Enterprise. The Sungli service. What the Sungli is doing? All types of cell phones. So mainly people are building. Actually, here they are building. They have put shop after shop after shops. Many of are closed. Some of they are open. There is nobody for now. Somebody is cleaning here or what? It's cleaning. Oh. And I can hear the sound of fixing. But look at this place. For my opinion, if you could renew this nicely, advertise it nicely, obviously it needs a lot of pesos, pizza, money, but still, it is a good mall, nice mall, ready to renew and ready to rock and roll this place. You can have a movie theater here if you want. Why not? Why not? What else we have here? Something is happening here. But be quiet. Do not spit. Do I get copyright with this one? Who is here? So people are preparing, working. Paila. I like paila. Hello. How are you? Good. Now we have seen the downstairs, so what we can see is that many shops are closed because it's early in the morning. Who will wake up early in the morning and do work? I don't know. Somebody. Hi. Hello, how are you? Okay, we head upstairs. Let's see what is there. Don't spit. Okay. This is how we go upstairs because elevator didn't work. I call upstairs, but takes too long time. Hello, hello. How are you? Oh. What else we have here? Oh, here is the elevators. Out of use. Most of the shops are closed here. That's what we can recognize. How I get more upper? We see upstairs also. How many floors are here? 1, 2, 3 is there. Treatment counseling, you need counseling. 3, 4, 9. Another shop is here. Oh, this is cool. So there was a computer class. I didn't know. I didn't expect. But that's how it is. Oh, okay. Here's a painting wall. Okay, this is my promise for you. I will hold you. We don't say that word. Your profile time. What else? You lose a lot of friends when love you one you gift serious about you. So people are sending a messages each others. Live as a king. This is a third floor or what? 99% of the shops are closed. Potential shopping mall center in the middle of Shillong and Guwahati. At least they are fixing something here. Obviously we can observe that it is not running now, but if somebody is doing something, hopefully. And why is it? Because we are in a good location. Guwahati side, Shillong side. So I actually really wonder what has happened to this place? When it has been built and why is it not running? That is my question. Because have a good mall, good shopping mall, could be good shopping mall. What has happened? Anyway, we wish the best for Nongpoh town shopping complex and hope that somebody is doing that building for something. Welcome to Nongpoh town. Yeah. Shooting. Yeah. You are already in the shooting. Ring Kaka leading. Through this door you will enter to the market. And also you can buy, you will see. Come and see. Oh, hello. Okay. Buy some toys for your children, for your baby. The guys are selling here, no? Like that. Usually if we want to do any textiles, my suits or my wife sari or whatever clothes, we will do it only here. And we can guarantee that they do nice work. No? Also is another places available here, but we use them. And here is somebody's nice suit, blue color. Good. Good. Acha. Oi bhai sahab, sab theek hai? Sab theek hai. That's what. So here is our market, busy marketplace. You buy fish. Also chicken is there, goat is also mutton. Obviously mutton is the one of the best. I like mutton very much. May I have a half kg mutton? Fresh mutton. Kasi, how you say? Kasi, how you say this one? Huh? Dough blanc. Today we're gonna eat dough blanc. Dough blanc only. Brother, don't cut your finger, huh? They want me to sing a Bolbareng song. I have sung it so many times always. And then if you want to eat the mutton leg also is available, huh? Or a head also. Thank you very much, appreciate it. Nah? Broiler. Boiler. Okay, no broiler, boiler. Cutting like that, nah?
Like that.
Like that. Like this, like that. And here it is. Fresh chicken. Nice. Big chicken. Actually, what they gonna do? How they clean? They clean it. They kill it first. They cut the neck. They put the blood out, and then they boil it. You boil the water also.
Yeah.
You put it in the water.
After cutting, one bat she will be died. Then put in the water. After that, clean. Okay?
Yeah, clean. That's how it is.
Like
Simple.
this.
Yeah, like that. Nah. Nice, good. Simple.
Not good.
Not good. Chicken is not good.
Very good.
Oh, it's okay. So it's not good. It's very good. The chicken is very good. So here is our veggie market. People are hustling veggies. Veggies hustling. And here is also another meat market. Okay. Here is a pork. You can buy a pork. Good morning. Pork is here. Nice pork. Other side also pork. Come on, Pilong. Biang. Donkeys are also here waiting their feet. And in that side also. can buy beef. I think it's either side. Also here is also beef, na? Beef, na? Beef. Beef. Nice. How are you? Oh, good. Good. Yes. And of course, people love here. People love to eat kwai. A lots of kwai. And more kwai. And everyday kwai. Sunday kwai. Saturday kwai. Monday kwai. Everyday kwai. Kwai mo. Biang. Biang. That's what. So I think this is the first process. Second process. Then you clean it, you cut it. Then you eat it with the pan leaf and lime. Not everybody eat with the lime. And here is also 1 hour small market. Looks like this. You can buy veggies. Sometimes you can. Oh, actually there is a chicken also. And this looks kwai. It's kwai or what? No, it's not kwai. Looks like kwai only. But you can buy chicken also here. Rooster. Rooster, local chicken, good chicken, white chicken, red chicken. Oh, that is a beautiful one. Look at this one. My goodness gracious, look at that. Oh. This one. This one, that one. You want to see? Yeah, I can see. Yes, yes. How is this one? This one. It's good. You want to see? Yeah, I can see. Let's see how is the chicken rooster here. Kran kasi suki suki. Suki suki kasi. Sekarang belum deh. Wait. It's tight na. Kong will come to help.
You want to photo this
Yes.
one?
It's
This
beautiful.
Yes.
Okay, let's take a photo with the beautiful chicken.
Yes.
Like that.
Yes.
Wow, black one. Ooh, very nice. Oh, cha. Okay, thank you, nah. Thank you. But this one I like very much. What is the name of chicken?
Local.
Local chicken, no name.
Local.
Local, nah.
Yes.
Wow. Oh, dakite. Chicken dakite. Chicken dakite. Okay, thank you, Mo. And here, of course, Tin Pan Center.
Yes, bro.
How are you?
How are you? I'm great.
You're good.
What about you?
I'm good. I'm good. So if you need any pan cards, anything to print, you know, this is the place to be, isn't it?
You have Vicky, all stuff here.
All stuff here, nah? Good. And of course, Jesus Christ is taking care of us. That's what. Oh, hello. How are you? Oh, good. How are you, brother? Oh, good. All right. Okay, because they are building a new road here. Welcome to Nongpoh town. We have a brand new road. Nice to drive here. Huh? Hello, doctor. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. I'm gonna get my hair cut today. But first, I'm gonna have some tea. Hello, boys.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine.
Where are you going?
Market.
Market. Bye, boys.
Bye.
Bye. But here in Amit, I enjoy my tea and samosa. Hello. How are you? You're good? Many years this shop has been available here, and they have one of the best teas in Nongpoh, definitely, and also samosas. Okay, so one tea and chop chana, na? Okay, so I'm gonna enjoy it here nicely. This is how the place looks. Usually this place is packed up, and that's how they do their tea. I'm gonna show you, na? Nicely. Wow, good. Like that. Very good tea. Very good tea. Good tea is coming. We do like this, like a French people, or like a Brazilians, or like a Finnish, or like an Indian, like that. Here is my aloo chop. Huh. So in aloo chop they put chili, of course, onion, some kind of beans, right, and potato. Something else could be also there, but it is good on. It's good. It's delicious. Cheers. Good. Guys, after this I'm gonna have a haircut, so stay tuned. Thank you very much. Cheers. As in Finland we say kippis. Salute. In India I don't know what you say. You comment below if you know. That's it. Very good tea. Acha. Delicious tea. Very nice tea. Yes, chicken. Oi paisa. Sab chicken. Chicken. Number ya. Shukriya. Thank you. Bye na. Thank you very much. I like the beat very much. Even I don't understand anything of the song, but still works like anything. And now it goes. So guys, it's my turn now with this gentleman. Let's rock and roll. Oh. How is my hair looking, guys? आप कहाँ से हैं?
बिहार से।
हाँ?
बिहार।
बिहार से? हाँ, बिहार से। आप कहाँ से हैं? बिहार से। फिनलैंड से। हाँ। आपका क्या नाम है? अमरजीत। आपका नाम आकी. This man, he is doing a nice work. Where in Finland you get this kind of treatment? Nowhere. India. Guys, it's a time of Indian head massage here in Meghalaya. That's how it looks. Where this kind of treatment you will get. I'm doing a vlogging at the same time. Where this kind of treatment you get, not in my country, you will get it in India only. Like we used to say here in India, only in India. Look at that one. Eddie. Woo. Oi. Wow, this guy have a strong hand. Indians know how to do these things. Definitely do. In my country, European country, you should learn from Indians. Should learn from Indians. Finish. How it looks, guys. He's the man, he's doing the work. Very good. Acha. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next episode.